Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?
Good morning, James. I am doing well. And you?
I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us.
Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions.
Hi, Helen. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying. Ugh.
Oh, no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
Mr. Wilson, I'd like you to meet Dr. Edward Smith.
It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
Pleasure to meet you, too.
Dr. Smith is an economist. He just finished writing a book on international trade.
Oh, that's my field too. I work for the United Nations.
In the development program, by any chance?
Yes. How did you guess?
I've read your articles on technical assistance. They're excellent.
Who's the tall woman next to Barbara?
That's her friend Mary. Didn't you meet her at Steve's party?
No, I wasn't at Steve's party.
Oh. Then let me introduce you to her now. Mary, this is my friend Jim.
Hi, Jim. Nice to meet you.
You, too. Would you like a drink?
Sure, let's go get one.
Who's the tall woman next to Barbara?
That's her friend Mary. Didn't you meet her at Steve's party?
No, I wasn't at Steve's party.
Oh. Then let me introduce you to her now. Mary, this is my friend Jim.
Hi, Jim. Nice to meet you.
You, too. Would you like a drink?
Sure, let's go get one.
What time is it? We're going to be late.
It's 7:15. We're on time. Don't panic.
But I thought we had to be at the restaurant by 7:30 for the surprise party. We'll never make it there with all this evening traffic.
Sure we will. Rush hour is almost over. Anyway, the party starts at 8 o'clock. But I do need help with directions. Can you call the restaurant and ask them where we park our car?
Hi, Alice. It's John. How are you?
Oh, hi, John. I was just thinking about you.
That's nice. I was wondering if you'd like to go to a movie tonight.
Sure, I'd love to. What's playing?
I was thinking about that new comedy Lights Out. What do you think?
Sounds great.
Okay, I'll pick you up around 7:30. The movie starts at 8 o'clock.
See you then. Bye.
Hello? Hi, Stephanie. How are things at the office?
Hi, Luke. How are you? Can you please stop and pick up extra paper for the computer printer?
What did you say? Can you repeat that, please? Did you say to pick up ink for the printer? Sorry, the phone is cutting out.
Can you hear me now? No, I need more computer paper. Listen, I'll text you exactly what I need. Thanks, Luke. Talk to you later.
Thanks, Stephanie. Sorry, my phone has really bad reception here.
Well. Hello there, Julia. Long time no see. Meg. Hi. What a coincidence. I haven't seen you in ages. What are you doing here? I just got a new job in the city. So I'm shopping for some clothes. Hey, what do you think of this shirt? Well, you know how much I love blue. See? I've got the same shirt. You always did have good taste. What a small world.
It's freezing outside. What happened to the weather report? I thought this cold front was supposed to pass.
Yeah. I thought so too. That's what I read online this morning.
I guess the wind chill is really driving down the temperature.
Can we go inside? I feel like my toes are starting to go numb.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to buy some apples.
How many do you want?
1 kilo, please.
Anything else?
Yes, some milk.
Here you go.
How much is it?
It's 150.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.